it's Raindrop here. And a little higher.
The Hoppy. My name is Hoppy Sparkle.
Right. That one's Hoppy Sparkle, but she's just using a different LPS as our YouTube talker today. So yeah. So you're gonna have to get used to that, I guess, a little. She might use it as her YouTube talker forever. She doesn't know what's gonna be her YouTube talker yet.
Yeah, I don't have.
I don't have
her yet.
Talker, but we got some new LPS today.
See?
I'm so excited. Maybe we should just get started. Open them right now. Let's get started. So, oh my goodness, I got this collie. He's so cute. Oh my goodness, look. And he has a magnet. It's gray, I think. I don't know. It's probably gray or blue. So yeah, look at the size of him compared to me.
Oh my God, magnet! Look at that cute little
What color is it? Let me see.
It has 5 eyes.
Oh,
it's blue.
Yeah, it's a blue magnet. So he's just rare.
It's kind of cute.
But I love this collie so much.
I love this
I'm gonna put him off.
Hello, my name is.
And I think I got another collie in here. Wow, it's this beautiful tan and brown one.
I got a ducky.
Oh, they don't see it in the camera. So. And she is a real, but she doesn't have
This one has a red magnet, see?
Oh, and then I got this cat. Oh, she has a necklace on her. By the way, somebody had these before us.
Ooh,
so,
blue magnet.
She has a gray magnet.
This one has a blue magnet. And it's a mousey.
Oh my goodness, I got this cute black kitten.
I got this mouse and duck and a
cute.
bear. And I'm going to have one of my
Oh my goodness, and then I got this cute kitten.
I got a ring. I did never had
They don't
this
see
kind.
it.
I did have this.
I'm just obsessed
Has a
with what
blue
I'm doing.
magnet. It's so cute and it's a good.
Oh, it's a dog. I never had him before in my videos. Wow, he's so good. I'm just so happy with what I got. So yeah.
It's a cute house.
Oh my goodness, he has a magnet. It's gray, so he's pretty cute.
Him moves him hands.
He's so cute.
No moves him
I
hands.
love it.
Oh wait.
Show it to the camera. I can't see. Oh, I've seen that one in videos before, actually.
Watch this. I'm gonna catch ya. Woo!
I've seen that one in a video before.
I got it.
It was like in school, and it was munching
Go
on
catch
a
it.
nut.
Huh, I got it
And
again.
the teacher said that he was going to go into detention if he kept on chewing on that nut in school. And it was like almost lunchtime, I think. Yeah, I saw that video before with that same hamster in it. I have a monkey. He's one that I always wanted, actually. Oh, gray magnet.
Wait, I wanna see the green. Cool.
Wow, isn't he so cute? I love him so much. So let's just put him right here.
I was gonna grab these.
Oh my goodness, I got a bird. She's pretty,
actually.
Look at the size of this girl. She's a baby. I don't know what I'm going to name these LPS yet. Leave me in the descriptions or just leave me down below.
I saw her on
Just leave me,
I saw her on radio and her was
leave
like, hey! When someone just pushed her and her was dead.
Tell me,
I get to lick
tell
glasses.
me your YouTube channel if you have one, and tell me some good names for my LPS.
I got a puppy and Ultra Rare.
Oh my goodness. She's pretty cool. She's a girl. Wow.
And I just gonna get.
I got this lamb. It's so cute. I never had a lamb before. Wow, gray magnet with these black things. Wow.
I really like it.
I
like a gray man. I like it.
Wow, just look at him. I just love him so much.
This one.
I already know a good name for him. Pepper.
Or
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna name him. Pepper. Is his name.
Am I just gonna...
Okay.
Guys!
I see something.
Guys!
Totally. A helmet.
I got a cute little bunny too.
Wait.
Guys! I really want to put these glasses on.
Barely can
me.
fit on her. Wow.
Can't fit on me.
Which one will it fit on? It's not fitting on the monkey. I know it's definitely not fitting on the bird. Well, I wonder which one this helmet will fit on. So we're gonna just put it right there. Okay, or right there. Oh, I got a frog actually.
Try put on it.
Oh, let's put the helmet on the frog. Okay, it doesn't really fit on the frog, but it kind of does.
Maybe it's there.
Okay, he has a gray magnet or blue. What should I say? I don't know. Don't know what I'm gonna name that frog.
Don't fit on the bed.
Oh my goodness, I got a turtle. So cute.
Put on there.
Oh, let's see. I think it almost fitted on that turtle. It almost fitted actually. And last one in my bag. Dun dun dun!
It's iced.
Ultra rare, you guys! Look at that!
The duck is ultra
Wow.
rare.
I think it's my first ultra rare I have.
Don't fit.
By the way, you guys, if they have gray magnets, that means they're extra ultra rare. Just to let you know down in the comments. Down below. So, yeah. Okay. I think this is a German one.
Wait.
It's not fitting.
It fits her. Dun.
Okay.
It fits her.
But I'm still keeping this dog. Jeez. Oh, I want to see this. I want to see her real quick. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She could have been my YouTube talker if I... Guys, by the way, I kind of do want to switch my YouTube talker for a different one. I kind of do. But
Guys, watch
no,
this.
I'm
Watch
not going to
this.
do that.
Watch this. Ha.
Oh, wait, I can't see. You have to get your hand in front. I think I might know what to name this dog. Guess what I'm going to name her? Okay. Did you guess? Okay. If you guessed, then I'm going to reveal the name. It is Snowflake.
Honey.
Wow, why don't you just look at that?
Honey gonna be flowers.
Wow, I love her
And
so much.
This is a girl, and I'm gonna name her Bow Flower.
Oh my goodness.
And
She's so pretty.
Her Rosie. So cool.
I love this one
there.
actually. Pretty much, she's so cute to me. I never
This
had one
is
of these
Jack.
German dogs
That's a
before.
boy.
It's a German dog.
Wait
Wait a sec. How's this a boy?
God, you don't see no.
Oh, never mind. Yeah.
This is a girl.
No eyelashes.
This is gonna be
This is
flower.
such a pretty
Her
one.
raindrop
I'm
flower.
obsessed with it.
Her raindrop flower. Okay, you need a poke.
So yeah, you guys. Hope you loved this channel. Make
This
sure.
one is cute.
Alright, anyways, you guys, make sure. Oh, wait, I have an idea for
This
these
is
ones.
jumpy.
I know what I'm gonna name. These.
Just come in night.
These.
Fire cat.
I know what I'm gonna name these 5. I'm gonna tell you right now. This one is Fire. This one is Cody. So, and this one is Diamond. This one is Midnight, and this one is Sparkle.
We have up here.
So now I'm going to reveal them right now. So let me get them ready to reveal. Get out of the way. And,
We just have a turtle already.
okay.
A baby fish.
Yeah, we got it. Turtle. Okay.
Yes.
I never had any customs before, so yeah, you guys. So yeah. Wait, I think she found out her YouTube girl. Yeah, she found out her YouTube girl, but you have to guess first.
Bunny.
Oh wait, they didn't see this girl.
Baba, me too.
All right, now we're gonna reveal.
Woohoo! Bye.
I don't know if you can see them, but I hope you can. I think that was my younger sister. Just to let you know. I think that might have been my younger sister. So yeah. Oh yeah, it was. Okay. Yeah, it was my younger sister. She's trying to mess up the video, right?
No, I just broke her knee off. I just broke her bone. Okay, I slide off the stairs step when I just fall off.
Yeah, she didn't slide off.
Yeah, I did.
What do you mean? I don't know.
Okay,
anyways, now we're gonna reveal my sisters.
I find it.